If I had a team of marketers working for me, and this is a hypothetical, because I don't have a team of marketers working for me, but if I had a business, I had employees, some of them were in marketing, those in marketing would know social media. And I mean, know their way around all the major social media channels, platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, even TikTok. They would know how to use these channels for both personal and professional reasons, because I can't imagine anyone disagreeing with me when I say that social media is rapidly becoming the most popular way of communicating, of staying in touch with clients, contacts, family, friends. So, knowing your way around social media, if your job is in marketing, because marketing is all about communicating, and the way we communicate in 2022 and beyond is using social media in many cases, if not most cases. Why on earth would these folks not have social media chops, skills, talent? So, social media, I would put it up at the top of the list, the very top of the list in terms of skills marketers should have in 2022.